Hello there, beautiful soul. Thank you for choosing this meditation. It is designed to unleash the goddess within. If you do enjoy this, then make sure to check out the rest of the classroom. Let's begin. Welcome to this meditation. Do not listen to this recording whilst driving or operating machinery. For best results, use headphones. Now let's begin. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax and completely let go. Take your time to get really comfortable. No distractions. Now take a deep breath in and sigh on the exhale. Let out all the tension. One more time. A deep breath in and a sigh on the exhale. Feel your body relax. And feel the weight of your body sinking into the ground. With every breath, releasing any tension or stress. Just letting go in the moment. Now imagine yourself standing in a serene moonlit garden. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and the soft chirping of crickets provides a soothing background hum. As you breathe in, feel the gentle breeze caress your skin, carrying with it the whispers of your inner goddess. Take a moment to notice the sensation of your feet touching the ground in this moonlit garden. Feel the weight, the pressure, your connection to the earth beneath you. As you inhale, imagine roots growing down from the soles of your feet deep into the earth, anchoring you in stably and with strength. Now gradually bring your attention up your legs to your pelvic area. Imagine a warm golden light coming from within, filling your womb with space, with nurturing energy. This is the seat of your creativity, your power, and your intuition. Allow yourself to fully relax and let go of any tension or doubt, and simply be present with this energy. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a mirror appearing right in front of you. This mirror reflects not only your physical appearance, but the beauty and strength of your inner self. Gaze into its depths and behold the goddess that you are. What do you see? What qualities? What strengths? And what attributes do you possess that make you powerful? That make you worthy and deserving of love and respect? Allow affirmations to arise naturally. And repeat them to yourself, feeling the truth and confidence they bring. Now imagine yourself surrounded by soft, velvety darkness. The air is filled with the sweet scent of rose petals and the sound of gentle, soothing music. Allow yourself to relax, to let go of any inhibitions or self-doubt. Simply be present with your body. Notice the sensations in your skin, the gentle hum of your pulse, the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Imagine your body as a temple, a sacred vessel for your inner goddess. Allow your hands to glide and explore along your legs, to touch, caress, noticing the sensations in your skin, the gentle hum of your pulse, the rise and fall of your chest, feeling your own touch along your legs. Allow your hands to wander freely, honoring the beauty and wonder of your physical form. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine the golden light from your womb space expanding, filling your entire body with warmth and empowerment. Again, feeling the connection you have to the earth, the strength of your roots, and the beauty of your inner goddess. Imagine yourself embodying this energy, walking through your daily life with confidence, grace, and sensuality. See yourself making choices that honor your desires, your needs, your boundaries, and feel the power of your inner goddess guiding you, supporting you and loving you unconditionally. Now take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly as you open your eyes, finding yourself in the room that you're in. And remember that Goddess within you is always present, always guiding, always loving. Carry this energy with you, embracing your power, your beauty, and your sensuality. Thank you for being part of this journey with me. From my heart to yours, Namaste.